When your Shark robot vacuum won't connect to Wi-Fi, start with these essential troubleshooting steps. First, verify your router is broadcasting at 2.4 gigahertz frequency, as most Shark robots require this specific band for connectivity. Understanding the 2.4 gigahertz requirement is crucial. This frequency band provides better range and wall penetration compared to 5 gigahertz networks. Most Shark robot vacuums are designed specifically for 2.4 gigahertz connectivity. Keep your software up to date. Update both the Shark Clean app on your smartphone and the robot's firmware to the latest versions. Outdated software is a common cause of connectivity issues. Clean your robot's sensors regularly. Dirty sensors can interfere with navigation and connectivity. The diagram shows key sensor locations that need regular cleaning for optimal performance. Check your router settings for potential connectivity blockers. Firewall restrictions, guest network limitations, or security settings may prevent your robot from connecting properly. For advanced troubleshooting, disable any VPN or security extensions on your device, as these can interfere with the connection process. You may also need to remap your home if navigation issues persist. Remember, connectivity problems typically stem from 5 main causes: incorrect Wi-Fi passwords, unstable internet connections, outdated software, signal interference, or router incompatibility. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your issue, contact Shark customer support for further assistance.